Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delicate Jewel, and I'm greeting you in the mighty name of Jesus. If you are a new subscriber or a new viewer, welcome. If you are old subby, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made this lovely curried egg. I've never had curried egg before. Growing up in Guyana, I've heard about it, but I've never tried it, so this is my first time tasting it and cooking it, and I wanted to film it for you guys, so I hope that you will enjoy this video. Okay, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we have some lovely tomatoes, lots of garlic, some weird pepper for its spice, got some onions, got some my potatoes. Alright, I had a lot of potatoes, got some spices. So I got my roasted curry masala for the curry, parsley for garnishment, bay leaf because bay leaf really tastes good in curry. Also the star of the show, the curry powder, that's what I use, Layla's, and some nice ajin, and also 7 eggs. I boiled 7 eggs and some salt to taste. So that's how my eggs are looking. When I peel them off after we're done boiling, they look crazy, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be going into the pot, right? Alright, y'all, so I decided to cook with some olive oil this time, and after I put it in the pan, I like to swirl it around so that the oil could spread all over. I don't know why, but that's very therapeutic for me, and I don't know why I did this part. So if you are following my steps, you don't necessarily have to do this part, but I decided to add some grind up season that I purchased from the store to this, and it was a bad idea because the oil proper spit up. But anyway, I went ahead and added my garlic first, and I let everything cook on low heat because I just like the smell of garlic, and especially when I'm cooking curry, I like a lot of garlic in my curry. It tastes so good to me. So then I went ahead and added the onion, and I added all of the tomatoes. I learned this from another girl that I watched on YouTube, and I saw her put tomatoes in her curry, and I'm like, tomatoes in your curry? But I understand, it gives it a really nice golden color. And then I added my 2 cubes, and I added the curry powder, 1 teaspoon, and I just let that cook for maybe about a minute to 2 minutes. Then I went ahead and I added the potatoes to the pot and stir it up really well so that all of the potatoes will be covered in the curry, and the onions and the tomatoes and the garlic. And then I added some hot water, boiling water, to this so that the potatoes could cook, as you shall see. how I made the curried egg. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do